Alright guys, welcome back to another video here. Today is going to be a quick video to kind of, break down the top 5 things that every single trader needs, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced trader. Every single trader needs these 5 apps, websites, or whatever you can call it. Every single trader needs these 5 things to be an efficient trader. Efficient, profitable, what word you can use, but every single trader needs these 5 things to be able to stay profitable and stay on top of their game. So yeah, all right, so we're gonna go through them, but before we start, guys, the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Drop in the comments your suggestions and what you like about the video, and if you watch the videos to the full end, let me know what you think. Comment things that you want to see in the future. So yeah, without further ado, guys, let's begin the video. Number one thing that every single trader needs is TradingView. Now, TradingView is one of the most important websites or apps that every single trader needs to get their hands on. Every single person, I highly recommend every single person to have TradingView an account, because, and obviously they have free service as well, so you don't have to pay for, you don't need a paid service. Obviously I do have a paid service personally, but yeah, so I advise every single trader to have a TradingView account, because this website is really like a user-friendly, that it makes things very, very clean. Charts, that is really useful website that I would advise every trader to use. Now going on to the second one. So the second one is kind of linked to TradingView in terms of the fact that it is Advantage account. So it's a brokerage account. Now, the reason there's not that much of a this is my personal recommended account that I normally use for my personal trading, and the reason why I chose is this broker is one of the best top brokers out there that offers a lot of opportunities, a lot of incentives for quite a good and a nice, as you can see, you can there's different opportunities, different trading platforms, MT4s, MT5s. They have educationals and tools. And obviously, as a trader, you need a broker to trade on, because how are you going to make your money if you don't actually to make or enter trades to buy or sell a trade? A broker is every single every trader, because that's the most important thing. You can learn everything you need to know, but how are you actually going to put that into action if you don't have an actual brokerage account? And this is my suggestion to every single trader: need or have a brokerage account. And this is my personal favorite that I currently use for all my personal entries on brokerage account. So normally, what I normally tend to do, this is a side advice or personal advice you can take whether or not. I normally use TradingView for analysis. So my day-to-day analysis, my alerts on TradingView, and I execute all my trades on Vantage account here. So it makes things easy and simple, because I tend to be able to analyze the charts better on TradingView, and then I'll make all my entries and whatever it is on my broker account, which is I find in Vintage, which I'll leave or link in the description below, so you can check out for yourself. Go through the opportunities. They have a nice fee, nice account for starting and everything. So it's quite a good brokerage that I would suggest people to get their hands on if they're looking to take trading seriously. So yeah. Now, aside from the having a brokerage or having a TradingView account, there are other things that is very important that every trader needs to have as well. And the second and third important is knowing and understanding or using this website, which is called Forex Factory. So what is Forex Factory? Well, what it does is basically it keeps you updated with all the high impact to the low impact news that are happening each and every week. So therefore, for example, if there's a CPI news that's coming out this Tuesday, it's going to show you what news to expect and what is the actuals, the forecast of the previous. These are very important for fundamental wise as well, because as trading we deal with technical and fundamentals aspects. So the technicals is the brokerage, the TradingView's account analysis, all these things, indicators, which TradingView offers as well. And however, the fundamental side is what we need to know: what news is coming out, who is saying what interest rate, what is the US interest rate, when is it coming out, all these things are very important. and you can go all these things by using Forex Factory, is it? Which I also leave in the comments below. There are other websites that have other news fundamentals as well. So it's not just Forex Factory, but my personal favorite is Forex Factory, which is what I use to keep updated with all the news that are coming out for next week, for example, as you can see here. So next week, obviously Monday, bank holiday. So yeah, it's something that we have to keep in mind as people, understand the importance of knowing all these things so that we can keep ourselves up to date with all the news and things that can affect the market, so that we don't enter trades without not understanding or seeing what's going on the trading markets, as as far as traders as well. So yeah, this is one of the important ones as well. So the next one's another fundamental website that I extremely encourage people to know more about. This is more tend to be for advanced traders, because beginners traders or intermediates wouldn't really know too much about it, because this is more for people that really understand or want to plan ahead and understand what's going on in terms of the long term wise, in terms of a week wise, or know ahead of most people. So this one is the COT report. And the COT report is basically a commitment of traders report provided by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. So basically what this report here does is basically it shows the transactions of the institutional traders, people who are in the Forex market to make money. As in, the whole purpose is to actually make money, because there's a lot of participants in the market that I tend to use these instruments as derivatives or use it for different purposes and main goals, whereas the COT reports is mainly focused on people that are trading the Forex market or whatever market is, with the initial or main purpose of actually gaining profit in this. So it's literally a good way, it's a good metric to use to understand the strength of currencies, stock indexes, metals, livestock, treasuries, all these things, to see what is really happening in the market in terms of, for example, if anyone understand the British pound, what kind of orders are happening for this week or whatever, I have to look at non-commercials. So we can see that there's been a close, or there's been contracts of orders that has been closed for all buyers and sellers as well. Again, so all these things are very, very important for traders to understand and know that, okay, so that means maybe in the long run, the pound might be weak for this week, or the pound might be weak in the next 2 weeks coming, or in the long run, the pound might be strong based on current order flows that are happening in the market, to kind of show me or give me a heads game rather than just anticipating what's really happening. So this is another important website that I will encourage every trader to know of, so that they can know ahead of time what to expect and how to anticipate the currencies they're looking at, or them the indices or lifestyle, whatever market you're looking to trade on. They understand what is the current frame of this market here. So these are the top 4 websites or 4 apps, or whatever you can call it, that every single trader needs to know and understand. And there's one more website that I'll let you people guess. I want you guys drop in the comments, what one more thing do every single trader needs to stay on top of their game. I'm gonna let you guys drop in the comments below section. Let me know what you think. There's no right or wrong answer, right? So whatever you think is the one more thing that every single trader needs to have in order to stay on top of their game, please drop in the comments. Let's see what everyone thinks. But that is the video for today. It's been your boy A Capitals. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. As I said, drop in the comments what you think the one more thing that every single trader needs to have to be an efficient trader in 2023. So yeah, please like, comment, share, subscribe, as I said already. And it's been your boy A Capitals, and we out. Peace.